Hello, fellow Redditors. Today we're exploring the stylish side of Reddit, how to shop and change your avatar. Whether you're looking to express your personality or just want to stand out in the Reddit community, this 1-minute guide has you covered. Let's dive into the world of purchasing and personalizing avatars. Start by opening the Reddit app on your device and signing into your account. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app for the most up-to-date features. By opening the page, look for your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it. Then, on the new page, look for the Setting option and click on it. When a new page opens, look for the Avatar Style option in the drop-down menu. Click it. By opening a new page, you can purchase all types of avatars that are offered. And there it is! You have successfully shopped and changed your Reddit avatar style. Whether you're keeping it casual or going for a bold look, personalizing your avatar adds a unique touch to your Reddit identity. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy shopping and styling on Reddit.